Alright guys, I'm excited to release you guys a video on how you can pass any prop firm challenge, whether it be Forex or futures. I'm going to focus on futures with doing a 1 minute time, 1 minute strategy. I think anybody can do this. This is very very beginner friendly. But let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I want to show you guys on how you can get precision and literally snipe these trades and make very good gains. Alright, so my favorite one, the three things I look at is the NQ. I always do micro, so I'm just going to say MNQ, MES, and then M2K. Those are the only three ones you need, as those are the ones that respect price action the most. So if you're looking at my chart, it's very simple. I made it very dark so you can clearly see when a candle penetrates either of the upper or lower band. When it penetrates a band, it is extremely overextended or oversold. So when you see price penetrating this lower band, it is extremely oversold. Now, we don't just get in right away, because price can do something like this where it hugs the band, right? So if you got in right away, you'll have an entry here and then just hugs down. What I want to show you is time distance. What we want to look for, and the trade I took today is this trade right in here. Now, price got very super close, so I took a position here, and then as you can see, price just had a monster move just to this EMA 20. That's what this blue band is here. So what this strategy looks for is extreme moves and then a reversion to the mean. And the reason why it works so well is because price can't sustain down this area. So at the very least, if you just get to an EMA 5, you make rather good money just to that EMA 5, and that's really what we got here. I took the gains at the EMA 5, and then it went up to the 10, and then it went up to the 20. It doesn't have to do like it could have hit the 5 and then went down, but we would already made massive gains from this low here to here. So yeah, what you want to look for is time distance. When I say time distance, and if price gets near this lower band, then it's a good area. And what I mean by time distance, anything that don't touch the EMA 20, this blue band here, in 15 minutes is long. So as you can see is the last touch, you can see we are clearly touching the EMA 20. Actually not right there. You can clearly see it touching right here. You can very clearly, the wick is touching here. So we have 1020 all the way to 1034. So that is 14 minutes of time distance, and pretty close enough to that 15 mark. So I say, you know what, I'm going to take a trade here, as I can barely really see this going to the EMA 20 at the very least, but at the EMA 5 and 10, which is the purple and the yellow, we can make massive money. And so doing this, you can pass your challenges relatively fast. I passed one of my challenges doing this exact strategy. And obviously, more contracts you can do, the best. I prefer micros. You could do, it depends on the account. A $50,000 account, I would do 5 micros if it touches the bottom band. If it, goes a little lower, I would double it to 10, and then just wait it out and see how far we go up. And then if it, you might ask, well, what's your stop loss? Well, my stop loss for a 50K account will be $1,000 loss. That would be my stop loss, because if something just bizarre happens and something unknown happens, well, I don't want to just let the trade just keep going down, and it's going to be very rare that happens. But I just want to share you guys this. Look how price moves in waves. As you can see, when price gets anywhere close to these bands, it's very overextended. Today was kind of boring. It's September 16th. It's a Monday, so not really much going on. But even on a boring day, we had a beautiful trade here right at 1034. And then right at the bell, we had a trade here. Now, you might ask, well, would you have taken this because there's no time distance? Correct. You were paying attention. The only time I take a lotto trade is on the 15-minute chart. So as you can see, right here was when the bell opens and it's the most volatile. When you see a 15-minute chart hit the lower band or the upper band, then you can, this is very oversold, and you can really get massive gains from there. And as you can see, we went from here back to the opening and then more. So it's a very nice trade right in here. But I'm very picky on those type of trades if they don't have time distance. I would say stick to the 1 minute time frame. Are you 15 minutes away from the EMA 20? Are you near the HR4 down here? And then take the trade. And I promise you guys, you can pass any prop firm as long as you're patient. It's not one of those things to be like, we're close enough to this, and then you take the trade just for have a candle plummet down to hit it. And that's really what will get you. A lot of things is risk management. People don't have any risk management. They'll put like 5 minis in there, and they'll just blow the account on just any little type of move that moves against them. I recommend micros. If you have a $50,000 account, I'll probably do 5 micros and then another 10 on one more ad. If it, if this 1 minute candle here, touchdown here, then I'll do the next ad, and then I just wait it out. And then $1,000 stop loss for a 50K account. 100K account, you can do a 2,000 stop loss. So yeah, I mean, this is a very good strategy, and I'm willing to help you guys and teach you guys this more and more. And I'm just going back and back and back, and you'll see how beautiful this is. Price comes away, it hits this ATR4, and we have this explosive move up. And then price comes back down, hits the ATR4 to a T. The algos know what's going to happen, and what happens? We push back up and make some more. And I'm just enjoying just watching this. Look at this. We push back up here, and then we come plummeting down. So this is just a brief scenario. I'm looking at just the NQ. This works for the same for the ES. It works for the Russell. So do keep that in mind. I just wanted to share this strategy because I know a lot of people are struggling. Times are rough. People are, probably, tired of losing accounts, and I totally get it. It sucks when you lose a challenge. But I promise you, if you stick to this challenge or you stick to this strategy, you will pass any challenge. You will throw in trades with superior confidence, and you will snipe the heck out of these trades. So these settings are customized. I do have a whole video on how to set up your chart in a more detail. This is just a simple video on to show you guys the high accuracy of it. Obviously, there's more to it, but this is just a relative video of how I use the EMAs, these upper and lower bands that are customized settings, and then using the time distance, and we're looking for a reversion to the mean. And that's simple. Literally bang, 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 and you're done. You can make one trade right in here and be done for the whole day. And while everyone else is just scattering for trades, you know the high value trades. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, now is the time to do it. I'll put the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description I'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to subscribe, please read how to subscribe if you have an Android. Avoid scammers. I'll never trade your accounts or message you first. Read the invite the testimonies. A lot of people in here are making massive money. A lot of people doing good using this exact strategy. Hit the server shop in the top left, and you will see the how to join. It's very simple. What I just talked about is day trading, so you're going to want to join the day trading service, and you get access to swing trades too, and those are going to be like bigger cap stocks. But day and swing trading plus is $12 a month, and you'll get access to all the alerts sent right to your phone, and you also get live streams of me doing this right in front of you on how I just explained it to you. So if you just need more confidence and you just don't trust it yet, I totally get that. Join the live stream for free. The YouTube link I have a Twitch. I put the link down below in the YouTube description where you can see it. You can follow, and you'll know when I go live, and you'll see how these trades play out. I've done this so many times that I really am so confident, and I really think a lot of people, can get their lives changed from this. A lot of people are hurting financially, and look into prop firms. All you need is $49 for a Top Step account. You get access to 50K if you pass it, and you will be racking the dough with a 50K account doing this exact strategy. So I hope you guys do try to join it. It's $12 a month if you do it on your computer and subscribe. It'll be a flat rate fee, and that's just all the education you're going to get. Continued education, update education, past knowledge, live streams, entries and exits, and then a group of community traders that do this exact strategy that's going to help you guys out. All right, guys. If you do it on your phone, the reason why I say computer, it will charge you a little more because it's through the App Store. So do try to do it on a computer or your phone's browser. That will work too. And you will have to do that for Android if you have an Android. It has to be computer or your phone browser. Hope you guys liked this video. This is the best 1-minute day trading strategy to pass any futures account, Forex account, or even just day trading in general. I do this strategy with options too, 0 DTE options, because I'm so confident that we can predict the right price action and snipe it out, that we can do 0 DTEs and make massive money doing this exact strategy. This little move right here would have easily been a 40% move on the options, just by seeing that. I've done 0 DTs a long time. This is just explosive moves up. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the Discord. Happy trading. Let's make some money together. If you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Share this to your friends that are struggling. I'm sure they'll like this strategy. Any beginner person can do it as long as you're willing to learn it, put the effort in, and get the practice. I think you guys are going to love this strategy. Peace out.